Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping Apostle Decaying Winter to your primary slot, because its effects only trigger from there. Once done, gather the 3 reagent types, frost shards, decay dust, binding thread, and lay them in sequence. This orients the item's polarity, which is why order matters. Then, position yourself in a cold zone or keep the area under 10 minutes of low heat to stabilize activation. Do these steps immediately. They prepare the core field, so the first cast will stick. Once activated, hold the trigger for 2 to 3 seconds to build a 50% base charge. This ensures the aura stabilizes rather than spiking and failing. After that, use the alternate mode to modulate decay. Tap to shift the effect by about 25% each time, because finer control reduces collateral dampening. Make sure to replace 1/3 of your reagents every 3 casts, as reagent depletion causes unpredictable flux. These middle steps let you tune potency and duration while keeping the item safe to use. To finish, press both triggers together for 1.5 seconds to lock the effect. This seals the Apostle's field so it decays predictably over time. After locking, observe a 90-second cooldown. Make sure not to re-equip or you risk corrupting the lock. If something goes wrong, if you see an unintended bleed effect, apply a half unit of neutralizer immediately, because that reverses the unwanted decay without dismantling the sealed field. Follow this final step to secure results and recover from errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.